This used to be a 48-inch fence. 48 inches this once was. As you can see, it's 26. Okay, so what happens here is a neighbor raises the dirt in the driveway on their side. And then the other homeowner has to do the same. They have to follow suit because now their area is the collection point. Well, now I can just step right over this fence. I mean, there's that's pretty bad. But I see this all the time. Now you chase the water to your house when you do this. And that's what we have. We have a home with a basement, so the footer tile's 8-9 feet below. Somebody actually ran footer tile just along the side of the house because the water is running towards the house. It's been chased towards the house. I'm always talking about how 99 out of 100 times when you think you need dirt in your yard, you don't. You need a pipe, and you need to manage that water, and you need to take that water to an area of discharge. If you're going to chase the water around your yard and chase it up to your house, you're just going to cause yourself more money, more damage, and when I get there, it's going to be a bigger system because you scattered the water all over the place. For yard drainage problems in North Macomb County and North Oakland County, give us a call.